Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market. I've got probably the most rare truck you're going to see today on the open market. It's a 2016 factory built glider kit, Pride and Class. It's only got 20,000 original miles, 2016 model. It was the personal truck of a company owner, so he used it very seldom. I've got it warm this afternoon, so you can see, you'll be able to see oil pressure blow by. I'll do a full walk around, show you the interior. Built with a 12.7 Detroit, 10-speed. Does have a wet kit. Extremely clean, everything that you'd expect out of a low mileage truck like this. Low side oil pressure is fantastic. It could stand to get just a hair bit warm to be operating temp. It's pretty close. Low side oil pressure is great. Super smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up. Really immaculate on the inside. Body and paint, fenders, all that's in extremely good shape. This moon fender's got a little damage right there on the top. Thing right there. And one little, you can see it like a, that looks pretty hard, but you can see it if you look close. That's about it, guys. Appreciate you watching the video. If you got questions on this one or anything else, can't promise you I'll always have a 20,000 mile Pride and Class, but we do carry nice low mileage trucks. If you have any questions on this one or anything else, feel free to give me a shout, 901-896-4526, or email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.